So, hello and welcome to my channel, SAP with Sanjit. The purpose of this channel is to provide latest content in SAP and SAP ABAP to help our professional, our fresher or graduate or college pass out who want to make a career in SAP. Slowly, I will make many more video on ABAP syntaxes, SAP practical project like work, what things you get in daily life project and like that. So for now, have already given two videos on writing select query or using new web syntaxes. So there are multiple benefit of using new web syntaxes, like less like code here. You have manual activity, less manual activity. So you can watch the previous recording to understand all this. And now today again I will be continuing with one more session of select uh, some more select query example we will see. We will write line case statement and we will try to post the calculation logic at the database level. So it's called code post down technique also, and it has available after 7.4 and 7.5 update. So yeah, this is about me. I'm Sanjeet Kumar. I have a 10 years of experience, and this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my top profile. You will get these links in video description also. Okay, so let's continue. The last time we have seen till here. Now we will see how we can write a select query now, and we can post the logic or calculation logic, which earlier we used to do like earlier how we used to do. Here we used to fetch data and then text. No, no, text. Okay, so here we select the data. First option was select the data from database. So step by this, we will be doing loop or read of this data to get the data to perform some function. What was that function like? Like some case statement we have to give, or we have to add. Suppose we have total value like NETWR, net value of a sales order, then we have to add that one. So then we will be writing in the loop, we will be adding all this value. And then other statement like other some function, if we have to put some condition like if this is the sales value or this is the customer, then say that this customer do something based on this customer, then there be used to loop and do all the things. So now many things we can do at the database level in the new web syntax, or you can say by using code push down technique. And after 7.4 and 7.5 release, many feature has started supporting. So we'll see how this is going to do. So here we have, so we'll take new syntaxes. New table, we'll take this one here. So now here, suppose we have to find the total number of sales value, total number of any TRW value, which is total amount per customer, how much a customer is giving sales to a company. So what we will do, we will just write here sum of net thing now NETH total value. So this column it will make it one more column at runtime. You will see it here. This is the power. So here we have made one column as total sales value, and we have to give comma because we will have make one more column out of it. And then we have to give here group by, from here into table, in before into table we have to give group by. So group by customer. Now there is some catch. What is the catch? Into table I will give here group by Gunnar. I will remove this one. Now if we try to activate, it will not get activated. So this is okay, not because of this edge. Okay, this is something. इस इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है इसका. The BBLN from the select list is missing by the group by clause. So what it tried to say, if you see, it is saying that BBLN is not there. If I'll give BBLN, it will say ARDAT is not there, ERNAM is not there. So this is the concept of group by. Group by, if you see group by, we can have it. So group by is like group by. It can be used at internal table, at OpenSQL level, or at database level operation as well. Write it like this. So how it works, when we are writing it at the database level. So what it will do, database level, it will try to, it can do aggregate function. Aggregate function like, if you know, or I will give some example, aggregate function like mean, mem, maximum, sum, this kind of function it will perform at the database level. And here are some rule to apply it at database level. Rule is like, you have to put all your select list. Select list is this fields, whatever I am selecting. You have to put all your field here in group Y. Here group Y. Select list field which is not getting aggregated. So this is one rule. Not getting aggregated matlab I am aggregating. This is aggregating. So this field is not required in group Y. Other fields are required here. So you have to, in select list, you have to give, rule number 2 is you have to give a, these are very important interview question. So in select list, you have to give field name, explicit field name you have to give. You can't write select a star. Meaning here, it is all field I have given. We have to give this explicit field name, can't write select a star. And then, yeah, these are for enough. These are, I think, sufficient for now. And at the internal table level, it does not do this one. Aggregate function, it will not do. So it does not do aggregate function. Will not do. First thing. Second thing, it will logically group the already fetched data of the internal table. Meaning, wait, hold on, but okay. But, so what it means is like you have here you have taken internal table data. So it will grouping means it will per customer similar type customer, for same customer it will group your order number, your net any TWR like this it will do there. And but it will not do this kinds of function at the internal level table, but at the database level table for the open SQL statement like this it will do. So we are for now seeing at the database level line this aggregate function at the database level, but it is asking me to give all this select list field at the here, because whatever field you are not aggregating you have to give here. So why it's required, because see customer per customer there can be a different sales order. So it has to know, database level SQL has to know which customer wise you want, or you want for all customer. Then there could be different date, there could be different name, there could be different order type. So every field you have seen holds a different significant, and that's why it will ask you to give here. Or if you want at the customer level, so you can just delete this field. So now we want customer level, all the sales value at the customer level, but still you see I have one currency level. So for one customer, like suppose you are a customer, for your customer sometime you might have purchased in dollar or euro, so the currency is important, so I will give here WAER. Okay, if I will not give here, then it will calculate all this value, it will like it will make in common currency, but we will getting in separate currency, so we will give here this one. And then group list must be separating using comma. Okay. This thing, this one. Always do a syntax check. The field network from the select is missing in the group by. Okay. Cannot needed. Now it has done gone. Activated. Let's put a breakpoint here. And then nothing is there. Let's execute it. To be back to, so you can see this customer, we have this much of total this they have introduced at runtime, and then separate currency. So customer they have, based on the customer they have different currency, they have given you the total value, and it all logic is executed here in the database itself. You're just getting the output. So the load went to database and performance wise it is good. Here also, I think we can give here some more condition if you want. Like we have given sum of any TTR, then we can here I think put case also. Case statement when this sum of any TWR equal to 15,000. Let's say 15,000. Then I can say that this is good customer. We giving good sales value to us. Then okay, it is missing then. That's why it is giving red. Then again I can write one more way in case statement. Sum of this any TWR. I can say greater than 15,000. Then I can say it's a diamond customer. So all this you are getting at the runtime, like added function, this features. Then I can take it else category where the the amount not falling in this true category will come here in else customer or not that good customer. And don't say this one. Otherwise, whatever said they are giving you will not give you. But just for example, and then I will say index performance. So what is this one index performance? This meaning this will also be introduced as a column at the output here, and where you will based on the case you will get these things. Just we will see that is getting long. Just be, bear with me for one more minute. So it's activated already. And then came here and then executed. Then executed. Slow queue chal raha hai bhai. So F6. This is open the internal table and so performance not that good customer, not that good customer. So based on the total sales value 100, our condition we have given at 15,000. So equal to 15,000 it is good customer. If less than 15,000 not good customer. If more than 15,000 see, so it is giving diamond customer. So based on your value it has calculated already in database and then it is giving you the result. So yeah, that's I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want. These things you will be using in report programming if you are doing for your project. Report and form you will use a lot. Yeah, thank you. Bye.